The Midgrade Officer and Civilian Transition Course 2, otherwise known as MOCTC 2. As officers and civilians advance in our organization, they must transition from serving as technical experts to organizational leaders. O4s and GS-13s must expand their professional knowledge of the Coast Guard and gain a better understanding of how the Coast Guard interacts with external partners and to think strategically as leaders.
The primary focus of MOCTC 2 is the Coast Guard leadership competency areas of leading performance and change and leading the Coast Guard. Specifically, MOCTC 2 will focus on systems and strategic thinking, interagency/DoD support, headquarters functions, Coast Guard authorities, inclusive leadership, and performance improvement. Students will visit the Pentagon, the Eisenhower Executive Office Building, and the Capitol. In addition, they'll have many opportunities to interact with senior leaders in the Coast Guard. The practicum of the course is a results project where models are applied to identified topics of concern from the Commandant's Advisory Group. Students will directly influence performance improvement in the Coast Guard through these projects. Now let's hear from a few of our former students.
MOCTC 2 was a great experience. I found it informative, transformative, and fun. Every participant will probably learn from different modules and exercises, but dissecting the LPI 360-degree feedback and working through the DMAIC model were particularly helpful to me.
I cannot recommend the course enough to civilians and active duty members alike. The course allowed me the time to take a hard look at my strengths and weaknesses as a leader, and then gave me a variety of tools to build upon those strengths and minimize the weaknesses.
You also need to invest in yourself, like step away from your email, step away from the staff meetings, and then broaden your awareness. Like, we have not all been exposed to all the cool things the Coast Guard does, but this class will do that for you.
Reinvigorate your Coast Guard enthusiasm, expand your peer network and organizational knowledge, and further develop your own leadership behaviors and reflect on how you impact others in the organization at MOCTC 2.
It's easy to apply. Just coordinate with your training officer or education servicing officer to submit an electronic training request, an ETR, using direct access. New courses should be populated in September annually. No prerequisites are required for MOCTC 2. Course code 100140.